Yum. Oh yeah, look at this. Kimchi. Oh, gotta do something with this kimchi. Oh, it's perfect. Time to cook. We've got kimchi ready in the kitchen today, and it's been sitting for a few weeks now. It's the perfect kimchi to use to cook Kimchi Guksu. Hi, my name's Nick, and this is Nick's Matchup. I live in Korea, and I love cooking and I love Korean food. So check out my channel for a new recipe every week, as well as seeing some of the restaurants that me and my wife like to go to. But at the end of the day, the best food is the food you cook for yourself. And today, we're cooking Kimchi Guksu. Kimchi Guksu, that's just kimchi with noodles. In this case, it's a cold noodle, the one I've got right here. And we're going to use this noodle. It's very thin. You've got to cook it in a special way. And we're going to use that to make a cold noodle dish that is perfect for the summer days. It's getting hot here in Korea now. We're into spring, and it's beautiful weather for this type of dish. And of course, the main ingredient is kimchi. Let's begin. You always have to test the kimchi.